Rainforest Cafe and we're gonna die. Timothy Bishop here, and well, it doesn't say AM there, but it's actually 6:55 AM, and the proof of that is over here. Tell you what, man, taking advantage of this back porch thingy I got here. Good Lord, it's loud out here. It's probably as cool as it will ever feel in Florida, at least as far as this trip is concerned. Can't really describe it to you. Just say it feels normal, like room temperature, but humid, slightly warmer, and can't deny that view. How far over can I go with this? I'm not sure where exactly east is, but that's pretty close. Yeah, I still got Daniel Johns stuck in my head because I had him set as my alarm. I didn't realize I could set Spotify as my alarm, and I only just recently made a Spotify list, so don't have much on there right now, but that was kind of cool to wake up to that instead of waking up to that dun 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 dun. Anyway, I'm here with Katharine Hepburn's mom. Yeah, we're about to go on this ride, and I don't know what it's going to be like. I wonder if I should film myself on the ride, like Steven did, you know, in my countermeasures. I don't know, dude. Anyway. Yeah, this is... I don't know if I care for the color. That's a pretty cool ass looking... Looks like those cars in Minority Report. You know, I would quote the movie, but nothing comes to mind right now besides the female. Yeah. That really makes you want to see it, doesn't it? I've been recording like a bunch of really short segments, which is going to be a pain in the ass to put on my computer. So I'm doing kind of a long one here, so you can see this from all angles. Yeah. Oh, this line's really moving, I gotta tell you. Yeah, look at that. The way I see it, if you're going to build the time machine into a car, why not do it with some style? Bye. Alright, so we're designing our car. Like, we're literally, this is part of the ride. I can't believe this. Jeez. Well.
It's like a jalopy.
My God. It's the latest vehicle in Breath of the Wild. Let's build this in Tears of the Kingdom. Accessories, huh?
Yeah.
Oh my God, it's
no accessory. Oh my God, this is wild. We're at Epcot Center, by the way. I didn't mention that, but oh, butterflies. Jeez, why is the first thing I think of that ridiculous Mariah Carey song that was exactly the same as Still Waters Run Deep by the Bee Gees? Why am I talking about this? I don't know. Bye. Wait, Blossoms of Fragrance. I keep saying bye at the end of these segments. It's like, no, I'm not buying. I'm not buying that. Anyway. I don't know if I can see the, oh, the ball, it's right over there. Yeah. I want to see what's over here. Oh, wow. Okay, this is cool. This looks like that place in Xenoblade where you fight those blast things, or Blant. I don't remember what they're called, but yeah. Oh, that's so beautiful. Man, I do like it. My friends, if Banjo-Tooie had a day-night cycle, this is what my Hem Temple would look like at night. Ever been to Santiago, Chile? Twice last year. Which building's yours? You know, the stadium. You built the Estadio Olimpico? No, right next to it. The Nintendocaprisun. Sorry, I'm being stupid. I don't know what this is. It's a Grand Fiesta Tour. Yeah, that's what we're doing.
Mission space is getting
And I'm on a boat. Oh, it's the restaurant from the other side. The pyramid go. Oh, there we go. There's the pyramid right there. I was like, where did the pyramid go? It's the restaurant right there. Can you see the water? You can actually reach down and... Oh yeah, you can reach down and get some water. I just put some water in my hair. Man, I would just like go and sleep right there as everybody went by and nobody would know I was there and I just sleep. Like 2 different ways to go. Put the beef in your taco! Sorry, I had to.
The tropics are home to the greatest diversity of plants on the planet. Many of these, like papaya, bananas, cacao, coffee, and rice, are well known around the world.
Cacao. That's a funny.
These are just a few of the edible plants that have been an important source of nutrition for people living in the tropics. The starchy root of the plant has long been used to make flour for baking.
Mangrove. That's really hard to get in fantasy life.
One day, many of these lesser-known tropical plants may be as important as the bananas growing on both sides of the boat.
Oh god, we're going to the Death Star? That's so cool.
You probably don't think of fish, but fish farming, or aquaculture, accounts for nearly half of all the seafood consumed globally. Tilapia, bass, and catfish, like the ones you see here, are 3 of the more popular crops raised by fish farming.
Tasty.
The sustainable system we're using here.
Sunflowers. This might be the YouTube thumbnail.
These plants are definitely on their way up. Innovative growing techniques like these increase yields while more efficiently using resources like water, fertilizer, and pesticide. Some of our best ideas have been inspired by nature, like these fruit and vegetable trees. By growing these ground plants vertically, we can increase yields and better control diseases. These crops taste as good as they look. In fact, we serve more than 15 tons of produce from our greenhouses in restaurants here at the land every year.
Well, it's Wayne Zelinsky from Honey, I Shrunk the Kids. Can't believe it. And apparently Robin Williams and Nigel Channing. I have no idea who that is. Cool. We're going to sensory labs next, I suppose.
Right over there.
We got more to see.
Sorry? Yeah. Oh wow, where was he?
Okay, how far does this tree go? Holy crap. Right about there, I think. Whoa. Taking a poo, sitting on the toilet and pushing real hard, taking a poo. Better wipe with lots of toilet paper. That was dumb. Yup. I think everyone who's been here has probably seen this. In fact, I think they had this in some airports somewhere too. I don't know what you call it other than coming water. Because let's face it, that's what it's doing. Some tree had to die. Really? That's not nice.
Oh no, they're not like peanut butter.
Jellyfish!
Right! Okay, now I'm thinking of something pink.
That's jellyfish!
You're good.
Make sure you don't break any of these or the Metroids might come out. I'll tell ya. Jeez, you can make an ASMR video out of this. Maybe I'll do that. Half of the stuff I've been shooting today has just been flowers and shit. And now fish. You just set it to some nice music and you got yourself a sleepy video. This is supposed to be Super Dory. You know, like Super Sonic, he turns yellow. I want to catch up with you. I'm going to film you. I'm going to film you. I'm going to film you. Oh, wow, that's beautiful. Holy shit, look at this guy. Oh, man. Get away from me. Yeah, after I got off that ride, I thought we were just going to go back outside. And there's all this in here. I didn't know all of this was in here. Dude, I can't tell if this is real or just a projection on a screen. Because that fish is about half as tall as I am. Some more over there. I think it might be real. See, like the surface? Oh god, dude. The perch is pretty good. I had some in Charlie Williams. Charlie Williams. I wonder if that place still exists. I mean, it was down here, so maybe. Why am I looking at fish and talking about Charlie Williams? Who the fuck is Charlie Williams? Oh, jeez. Oh my god. How is that not fake? That's gotta be a fake fish. There's like divers in there. Oh my god. The angle of their noses. It's so funny, man. Oh, it's Hurley from Lost. But about 200 pounds lighter. And they're both coming right for us. It's like that Star Fox level. Oh my god. Jeez Louise, that is really close. Oh man. They're running away. Oh wow. Look at these two are about to collide like Howie Day.
Yeah, we're going to walk around.
Man. I should seriously set this to some music instead of... Whoa, oh, hammerhead. There we go. Yeah. It's actually just one of those big cylinders again. Howdy guys, I'm nintendocaprisun, and welcome to Mr. Ray's Pop Quiz. This is my latest Let's Play. Let's go. Okay, so we'll start with the fart. Okay, now, English. fish. Beginner, advanced. Let's go advanced, baby.
My name is Water. I'm a clownfish.
Okay. Ready to pop the question. Here we go. Cuttlefish have a very unique talent. What is it? They like to cuddle. Break dancing. Well, it's probably C. Okay, cool. I guess I got my one right. Battle-nosed dolphins sleep very deeply. Well, it's got, well, kind of think it's a C again. There might be A. I'll try C. Okay, so if you're wrong, it just disappears. Wow, this is easy. No penalties for getting the wrong answer. I love it. Dolphins rest on one side of their brain. You know, when I saw that answer, I thought that's got to be it. Clownfish hardly ever travel. Business class? Wow. No, it's got to be B. Farther than 3 feet. Yeah, they're real homebodies. How about that? Okay, cool. So I'm 2 out of 3 here. Until they reach adulthood. Moorish idols. Appear on Moorish idol. Wow. Stay at their mother's side, probably. Nope. Leave the reef where they were born. Oh. Okay. They call them runaway fish. Yeah, they should. Okay, how many more questions? Let's get a little long here. As a safety mechanism, triggerfish can swim backwards, blow fire, break into tears. I want to see that. Oh, I thought that was going to be it. Okay. Just don't forget the key. Okay. You scored 2 of 5. Okay. Good job, I guess.